Tingnan mo yung mapapangasawa mo. Yan na ba? Wala nang iba. Sabihin mo sa kanya, Angelica May,
Angelica May,
sa harap ng Diyos
sa harap ng Diyos
at ng kanyang sambayanan,
at ng kanyang sambayanan,
tinitipan kita
tinitipan kita,
maging aking may bahay
maging aking may bahay,
sa hirap at ginhawa,
sa hirap at ginhawa,
sa dusa at ligaya.
sa dusa at ligaya.
Ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin
Ikaw lamang ang aking ibig
at itatangi.
at itatangi,
Karugtong ng buhay,
karugtong ng buhay,
ngayon at kailanman.
ngayon at kailanman.
You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away. Yeah. You'll always be my heart. Every second, every day.
Maganing muso ko, kakakising so.
Palakpakan po natin sila. Swerte mo, Michael. Sa una ko palang pagkakita sa mapapangasawa mo, na-impress na ako. Bukod sa maganda, mukhang mabait pa.
Iba kasi, nung nagkita kami 2013, I felt at peace lang talaga mag-share sa kanya. Tapos, as in, never siya nagbago na hanggang ngayon, everything na... Ako, parang ako lang, na wala akong kailangan isipin, nasasabihin.
Destiny ko. Ganun talaga. Sino ba siya ng buhay? Then, wala pa nga itong pinapakilala sa akin.
Han, you're my answered prayer and God's greatest gift to me. We have so many memories shared together, milestones witnessed of each other, breakdowns in support for one another. I can remember that time when you almost gave up, but our friendship stood the test of it. That was the same time I realized I cannot go on without you around.
Alam mo, makaama kasi to, sobra. Oh, Daddy, yakapin mo kami ni Kami.
My bestest friend, my shining star architect, my dream come true. You gave me your yes. I will give you the rest of my life. To love you with all I have and ask for nothing in return. To be with you every day and hug you tight. These are thoughts circling me and would not let go. You are worth wedding for. You are worth marrying for. You are worth loving for.